Is this all the selection you have?
No sir, we have more. Please tell me what type of god are you looking to buy? Sir, we carry gods of all the religions from around the world. Which religion's god are you seeking? We carry and manufacture the gods of all the faith around the world.
And I am in search of God.
Sir, that's why I am asking you what type of god are you looking. Can I help you? Our product quality is guaranteed. We manufacture, and also we import from all over the world. We also customize the gods according to customers' specifications and requirements. Sir, you are buying for yourself, or is it a gift for your loved one, or are you looking for the business? Also we can ship to anywhere in the world. You can get insurance on your shipment. We deliver the consignments on time except for Christmas rush. It's our busy season. We always take new orders. You can buy our God selection with confidence. Don't worry, we have thousands of satisfied customers worldwide. The quality you can trust. Quantity has no limits. You buy one or hundreds, we discount according to the number of gods you buy. We have been in this business past few decades. We have been selling these gods to all types of religious organizations, centers, churches, and temples. We make all sizes of gods. We also carried some clearance on the slightly damaged stock of the god statues, at very reasonable prices, and we don't refuse any fair offer. We always have stock lots, and our customers always make good money from our stocks.
You gave me exquisite details about your business and services. I think you must be the owner or manager of this god-selling company.
No sir, I am just a salesman long enough experience to satisfy any customer. By the way, when you buy any of these statue gods, we always give customers satisfaction guarantee.
I can see you are a wise and intelligent salesperson, and I am thrilled to talk to you. All these gods you are selling, and might be you manufacture them, but I cannot find what I am looking. Is there any god you have in stock who is the creator of you and me, universe, and all the existence of this world?
Yes sir, any of these statue gods you buy, they can connect you to the Almighty God.
Do these statues gods manufactured with any hidden device to connect me with Almighty Creator of universe, this world, and all the existence? Whoever started this kind of idea to build idols and statues gods must be a good business. How anybody can claim these dead statues and goddesses, which made of stone, metal and wood, can connect to the Supreme, the greatest power in the universe or this world? Are these statues and idols are, likewise, smartphone, or they build with a computerized system? Do they work on Wi-Fi, or we have to get the connection to activate them? Or do you activate these dead statue gods to talk to Almighty God? Do I have to buy a charger to enable them? Do the charger works on 110 or 220 watts, or they come with the universal adapter?
Sir, are you joking? You are not buying an iPhone or any electronic device, you are just purchasing a statue of God.
Did you or your manufacturer see Supreme God ever? And where did you guys get these images? Do specially appointed artists to draw them from the Almighty Creator?
No sir, I don't think so. As far we know, from thousands of years, these religions responsible people of churches and temples, they have been telling the peoples about these statues, gods and idols, and we believe and follow them.
I am sorry, what you are telling me, it's not making sense to me. And do you think them blindly, these statues and idols, as God or God's helpers? What proof they have? They are just a creation. How the creator of the universe, this world, and all the existence, could be that much weak and unorganized? He depends on his creations to build his statues, idols, and it does not make sense to me. They look like to me, not more than any decoration pieces with different colors, sizes, shapes and looks, made by different materials. I think whatever stories they gave about homemade gods, and we believe them as a god.
Sir, we don't know what they teach us. We follow them.
Sir, you remind me one question, which always bothers me about reduced hard-working labor. The makers of these statues gods, they are still impoverished and needy people, in third world countries. They live in small towns and villages who craft them by hands. most of their life they suffer from all kinds of calamities and with short of money. Why don't these poor and needy builders of these statues gods, work at least wages? Why not these statues and idols gods don't see their conditions, and why not these statues makers whisper in their ear and send a message to Almighty God? We worked hard day and night to make your statues and idols. If you are there, why don't you help us? Mostly these poor people cheat by the figurines and statues gods businessmen. The statue gods and idols makers, regardless of the weather, very hot or cold, whole life they worked hard and died in all kinds of suffering and with the shortage of money. One thing I don't understand, these statues makers supposed to be productive and highly respected more than any guru, priest, preachers, and pundits. Why these statues idols gods don't work when people buy them in wholesale for their business, spend so much money in their stocks, but they always complain about their business drawbacks of damaged shipments of statues and idols gods and still complains about showroom and workers' expenses. Why these large stocks of sculptures and figurines gods don't work for them, regardless of quantity in showrooms, and piles of statues and figurines of gods stock in their warehouses, though in showrooms some of them take time to sell, they won't sell right away, and they have to decorate them, clean them, they try their best to sell them on discounts through all kind of advertisement. Also get insurance on them in case of fire or floods happen. These statues and idols gods can be damaged. Why these statues idols gods workable only when people buy them according to their belief only, or they send to churches and temples or personal use only at home? I think this is their belief as their thoughts. I think this is their test from the Almighty God.
Sir, I don't know much about the details of the religions. What you're telling me, I am confused.
Sir, then you should also search the God, like me. I am just asking the simple question. I don't see any confusion. You told me you are very old and professional in this business.
Sir, although I am old and professional in business, your questions are out of my understanding. Today I learned from you many new things about God's selling trade. Still, I need more clarification about these statues and idols gods.
Let me make easy for you. Let's say we believe in these statues, but they don't have no action at all and the people worship them as God, or as a God helper. How about the devices such as iPhones, laptops, satellites? All of them have hundreds of unseen signals action for the communication around the world. If I ask you, these devices is your God?
No sir, they are not gods.
How can it be possible? If you ask this question to anybody, even someone live in village or small town, also they'll say no, they are not gods. How about airplanes and cars, vehicles, cranes and all types of machinery, light or heavy, with all kinds of actions they have? Do you think, are they God?
No, sir, how they can?
Then tell me how I can believe that these statues and idols are gods, or they have any connection with Almighty God.
Sir, after all these discussions I don't know what type of God you are searching. Can I make for you custom-made God on particular order?
No, I am in search of God. You have all kinds of gods of different religions. Do you have any idols, statues and figurines of Muslims God?
No sir, I don't think they have any. What you are asking, I never heard about this. I don't have any catalog and pictures.
Okay, thank you. Helpful talking to you. Looks like my search of is there any God not end yet.
Sir, I try my best still. I don't understand what type of God you want to buy.
As I told you, I am looking for creator of all existences. In this world and universe.
I am sorry, I don't know what you are saying. Give me more details about your God you are searching.
I am looking for the creator who is the creator of every existence, but no one should be created him.
بديع السماوات والأرض أنى يكون له ولد ولم تكن له صاحبة وخلق كل شيء وهو بكل شيء عليم.
He is the originator of the heavens and earth. How could he have children when he has no mate? He created all things and has perfect knowledge of everything.
He should be a king of all the kings since the world started until the end of this world. He should be king of all, but no one should be above him. He should be a provider and sustainer for all the existence. No one should be the provider and sustainer of him. He should be managing all the needs of this world or universe, and all the life, but no one should lead him. He should favor to all, but he should not take favors back from anybody. Who listens to all the existence and help them and fulfill their requirements. But he should not have any requirements. He should be guard for all existence on heaven or earth, but no one should be guard on him. He should be a controller of all life in this world and the universe. No one should control him. He should be all alone, but he should not have any helper.
ذلكم الله ربكم لا إله إلا هو خالق كل شيء فاعبدوه وهو على كل شيء وكيل.
That is Allah, your Lord. There is no God worthy of worship except Him. He is the creator of all things, so worship Him alone. And He is the maintainer of everything.
For more informative videos, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. Like this video and share with your family and friends. Whether you are a Muslim or not, I invite you read and learn the Holy Quran in your language once in your life and visit the website
IshtHereAnyGod.com.